Uba madon bai rambai MDC ka amwi kli terchi hne kesngi ula pli perda ya ka school carnival arhajar arpusan jong ka Adventist Higher Secondary School kli terchi ka bala penlong halor ka phang break the chain break the stigma harangkat ka jinga trelang bat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ya kane ka school carnival en penlong haki arsngi da ka jingwan shembanta lang ki school ba pher lengba ki jinga le kai ba pher na du jingshat tenrai ki jinga kop ruai jinga kop extempo speech ya kop top poster ya kop shot ya kop le kai drama bat ki weide haka jinga lang pli perdah ni ka sngi sedang la yo ru ki jingkran pensngo tho halor uknyang jingpang HIV kumju kilat jinga da na ukong san ba madon bai rambai kumju usembut kong san uba Dr. WB Langsti, MD Pathologist, ubade Project Director ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, harangkat ka jinga don lang ki khana school bat kinong hikai.
I am very happy today this program. I'll assure this program will be in a success. Within this report, I declare at the moment from this kind of this kind of procedure, that is the formalities, I declare the program will start. We have to take carefully and at the same time we have to make it a very good prevention, especially for the young student like 10 plus to higher secondary school, according to this carnival program, this 2025. Once I remember that this kind of program, I on behalf of the Janji Hill elected representative. The wording is very important for us. Service of humankind, service to God. That is the first from my side as one of the chief guests. I am leading the program. This day is very great day for us, and at the same time, this program is today the opening day of this events. I enlightened to the audience of the program for allowing me to participate regarding the most important program for all the social activities of human life. Respected principal, headmistress, teacher, all honorable distinguished guests, all dignitaries, my beloved student of Adventist Higher Secondary School, those who are present in this program. And I thank to those who have attended the program, like both ladies and gentlemen and my friend. The program will have to witness what we are focusing about, the great sickness of human life, that is HIV/AIDS, and for at the same time extend for the drugs abuse in the area. That is three kinds of sickness. We have to make it carefully and better prevention for us. We are a human being. I appreciate the organizing team fixed program today is a very most important program, very most event. I am also very glad to attend this program for the young student, those who are to maintain and take carefully for keep the awareness program to aware from this kind of diseases, including this three sickness, HIV/AIDS, and I extend that the drugs abuse also is increased day by day in the Janj Hill district. We are looking. This drugs abuse is increased day by day in the same in related to that kinds of HIV and AIDS.